Welcome students, welcome to my next video, chapter number 5, Mass Media and History. Among the question bank, which I feel it's very important, I'm going to discuss this in this video. So before I start discussing the answers, let me request you, if you like the video, please do like it. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it. And if anybody is not aware of this video, please do give the awareness. Now there's a lot of time for everyone to do revision. Let us utilize this time and study well. So my dear students, to study the whole of the question bank is very difficult. So among the question bank, which are the important ones, I will be just reflecting on in this video. Now choose a correct option, give the from the given options, complete the sentence. The first English newspaper in India was started by James Augustus Hickey. So he is the gentleman who has started first English newspaper in India. Television is a dash medium. We find in television both audio as well as visual. We can't say it's only visual or only audio. It is both audio as well as visual. Balshastri Jambekar started the first magazine in Marathi language, Digdarshan. Then a newspaper representing masses of Indian society, which was started by Krishna Rao Bhalekar, Deen Bandhu. Fifth one, the dash programs are broadcasted in 24 regional languages and 146 dialects of Indian languages. It is none other than Vivid Bharati. Sixth, the honor of printing and illustration in Indian newspaper for the first time goes to Dhanodaya. So this is all about objectives. Now let us come to subjective, because there was one request from one of the students that, sir, why can't you even discuss the important points which are related to the short notes, explain the following statements, answer in detail. So I thought of discussing in this video both write short notes as well as even explain the following statement with this reason. So let us go first to short notes. The role of newspapers in Indian struggle for independence. Now, as we all know, newspaper played an important role during the freedom struggle. Now, how it played an important role? It is as follows. Newspaper served as an important medium in creating social awareness during pre-independence period. It was just like spreading a social awareness among the people. That was the first role played by the newspaper. Second, newspaper described the greatness of Indian culture and history to gather support of masses for the freedom movement. No, they gave pride in the minds of the people. Third, they imparted a kind of nationalist education. You know, they gave a sense of pride to the people that they are Indians and they should fight for the country. They supported social, religious, political movements and opposed imperialism. And last but not the least, the ideas of the social reformers of various organizations active in independent struggle reached to the common people through newspaper. So these are few of the points that has to be covered for the role of newspaper in Indian struggle for independence. Now, why do we need mass media? Mass media includes print and electronic and various mediums. Now we can see here, mass media is newspaper, TV, your radio, all are included under mass media. It facilitates free flow of information to all strata of society, whether the rich or the poor. Everybody gets the information. People are able to watch events that has actually happened. Now, if Prime Minister Modi ji, if he goes to Kerala, a live telecast has been done. Now, television is an audio-visual medium. Hence, it impacts the great impact on education process. Programs like Countrywide Classroom was one such popular program. So television do not remain only a medium of entertainment, but also it plays a vital role in the form of education. Programs which have provided information on the courses required for the educational and professional development were presented. Television enabled a wider reach of these programs. Television overcomes inherent limitations of newspaper and the radio. Readers get platform to voice their opinion. So mass media is a very plays an important role to strengthen democracy. So, my dear students, you can see here, without mass media, we cannot think about our life. Whether it is entertainment, whether it is current affairs, we do require mass media. Now, my dear students, further, we will see mass media and professional opportunities. We have very long notions, We don't have any professional opportunities in mass media. There are some certain misgivings. Now, I would like to, change that view. Even I would like to correlate mass media with history. And if you are very proficient in history, if you are very good in history, and you can play a vital role in mass media. This I am going to prove it with this answer. Mass media and professional opportunities. Mass media includes newspaper, periodicals, which are printed mediums, electronic mediums like television, radio, and advertisement fields are part of it. A new field of public relation is recently added to it. Many professions are related to mass media. Professionals are of different fields hired for the work and the medium of mass media. For example, computer expert is required for page layout and typesetting. Writer, columnist, editor are required to write articles, columns, editorials in newspapers. Newspaper also requires reporters and technicians to work in the press. Artists are required to present programs on television. In the same way, newspaper presenters, anchors are required. Historians are required for the articles and the programs based on history. So you see, there are a lot of opportunities if you study history. If you study history, we find in mass media you can shine. Now, is the next question is television. We all know television was considered to be an idiot box. You know, it was years ago it was said. But now television is playing a major role, especially in developing in history. While producing the show, serial based on history, mythological stories, it is essential to have accurate knowledge of history. I would like to give few examples. Bharat Ek Khoj, Shiva Chhatrapati, Ramayana, Mahabharata are among the few of the popular serials based on history and mythological stories. While producing these serials, it was essential to know the prevalent social conditions, outfit, lifestyle, weapons, their language, expressions. Historians who have a knowledge of these subjects are required. While making program based on sportsmen's literature, historical events, sports, animal life, it gives importance to history of that particular period. While conducting discussions on televisions, topics like social problems, education, economic, health, importance, give reference to the past. So television play a great role in everyone's life. This shows the knowledge of history is required in making programs on television. Hence, television and history are closely related. Now we will go with the next question, that is, explain the following statement with the reasons. That in short we say give reasons, right? And you know, in board exam, when it comes to you know, you have to produce at least minimum 4 points to get 2 marks. So, first question, let us go to the first question. Give reasons or explain the following sentence with the reason. Any information received through mass media need to be reviewed critically. We cannot just close our eyes and believe what the mass media says. We need to critically analyze it. Now, let me tell you the first point. Information provided in mass media may not represent the exact truth. We need to scan it carefully. Second point, we have to understand idealistic and investigative motive of the newspapers, government policies and prevailing social conditions behind the news piece. Third point, the information received through mass media might be prejudice or give one-sided idea. Now I would like to give example what has happened in Kerala. I won't give you what has been said in the history book. There was a famous actor called Dilip. You know, he was at his peak. He has overtaken the superstars like Mohanlal and Mammootty. And he was at his peak. But he was brought down in his profession. He was brought down to earth. Now there is not a single cinema. Now how? He was brought down to earth through mass media, television, newspapers, news channels. That he was involved in a case where a famous actress was raped or molested. With that news, film stars, superstar, he was brought down to earth. Not a single cinema. What is the reality? Even the police couldn't find out now. Why there was one person who came and who spoke against this famous actor. And let me tell you, this famous actor, he didn't even, try to, defend, because everything went against him through mass media. And so, what has happened? We need to analyze, the news, whatever the news comes to us, we need to analyze it, whether it is true or false. Second question. Knowledge of history is essential for newspaper articles. As we all know, in order to unfold the background of the events in the news, we have to resort to history. Second point. Some columns are based on historical events. These columns provided historical information about economical, social, political events in the past. There are newspapers, there are supplements, which give special editions, special issues to mark the completion of 50 or 100 years of the events. On such occasions, one has to review history of the particular event. The fourth point, even while writing columns like what happened in history on this day, it is necessary to have to know the past event. Hence, knowledge of history is essential for writing such type. So, my dear students, further we will see the question. Newspaper became the first, television is the most popular medium. As I told you in the previous, answer, that television is the most popular medium. And if you see television, it is there in each and every house, whether it is rich or a poor, whether the person who has got a higher status or a lower status. Television is part of their life. And television is an audiovisual medium which brings in contact with the events, which is exciting and clarifying way. Second point, it becomes possible for the people to watch all international events at home, whether it is cricket, whether Prime Minister visiting a place, whether Prime Minister delivering a speech. Then, third, discussion on social problems, education, economic conditions, and political events are viewed by the people. Last but not the least, documentaries on sportsmen, leaders, heroic men and women who are shown on television. Film songs, games, comedies, shows, dance, drama, and news and other programs are shown on television. Therefore, television is the most popular medium. Thus, I end this video of mine. Students, if you like the video, please do like it. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe it. And also share with all the other people who are not aware of this video. I wish you all the best for your board exam.